Journey begins at bone processing facility. Animal bones become pharmaceutical-grade calcium for toothpaste. Clean animal bones arrive from meat processing. Byproduct material providing calcium phosphate source. Mechanical crushing breaks bones into processable fragments. Size reduction for chemical extraction.
Crushed bone fragments advance to chemical processing. Material prepared for calcium extraction.
Acid digestion dissolves organic material. Chemical reaction releases calcium phosphate from bone structure.
Temperature control optimizes calcium extraction efficiency. Precise thermal management ensures quality. Filtration removes impurities from calcium solution. Multi-stage purification ensures pharmaceutical grade. Controlled precipitation creates pure calcium phosphate crystals. White crystalline solid forming.
Pure white calcium phosphate crystals collected. Pharmaceutical-grade material for dental products. Rotary drying removes residual moisture. Dry powder ready for quality verification. Precision milling creates uniform particle size. Fine powder texture for smooth toothpaste. Laboratory testing verifies pharmaceutical purity. Quality standards for dental product safety. Quality-approved calcium packaged for toothpaste production. Pharmaceutical-grade ingredient ready for factory. Calcium arrives at toothpaste factory. Modern facility where ingredients become dental care product. Strict hygiene protocols protect product purity. Clean room standards for pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing.
Organized ingredient storage for toothpaste formulation. Each component stored under optimal conditions.
Precision weighing ensures exact formulation. Computer control guarantees consistent recipe every batch. White calcium phosphate enters mixing vessel first. Base ingredient providing cleaning abrasive.
Glycerin adds moisture and sweetness. Humectant, preventing toothpaste from drying out.
Purified water creates gel base. Pharmaceutical-grade liquid activating ingredients.
Powerful mixing creates uniform paste. Blades ensuring every ingredient perfectly combined. White paste base taking shape. Smooth, uniform texture forming foundation.
Sodium fluoride measured precisely. Active ingredient preventing tooth decay.
Fluoride integrates into white paste base. Even distribution ensures consistent cavity protection. Surfactant creates cleaning foam. Small amount enabling effective brushing action. Binding agent creates smooth gel texture. Natural thickener perfecting consistency. Peppermint oil adds refreshing mint flavor. Natural flavoring making brushing pleasant. Final mixing creates smooth white gel. Perfect toothpaste consistency achieved. Vacuum removes trapped air bubbles. Smooth, professional texture without imperfections.
Finished white gel moves to filling equipment. Smooth, pure white toothpaste ready for tubes.
White plastic tubes ready for filling. Clean containers awaiting white toothpaste gel. Tubes positioned precisely under filling nozzles. Automation ensuring accurate gel injection. White gel fills tubes with precision. Volumetric control ensuring consistent portions.
Smooth white gel flows perfectly into tubes. Glossy, pure white paste filling from bottom up.
Tubes filled with pure white toothpaste gel. Consistent portions in every container. Filled tubes advance to sealing station. White gel-filled containers ready for closure.
Heat sealing closes tube bottoms permanently. Automated closure protecting white gel inside.
Heat and pressure create permanent seal. White toothpaste gel secured inside tube.
Sealed tubes with white gel inside advance. Containers now permanently closed.
Lot codes enable complete product traceability. Every white gel tube individually identified. Clear codes mark production details. Black text identifying white gel batch.
Computer vision verifies every tube quality. White gel fill and seal checked automatically. Metal detection protects consumers. Every white gel tube screened for safety.
Quality-approved white gel tubes ready for packaging. Individual production stage complete. Individual cartons prepared for tube packaging. Printed boxes ready for white gel tubes.
White gel tube enters individual carton. Product now protected in branded packaging.
Carton closure secures white gel tube inside. Professional packaging complete. Finished package ready for consumers. White gel tube in professional carton.
Random inspection verifies packaging quality. White gel tube condition checked inside carton.
Individual packages ready for case packing. White gel tubes in cartons advancing to bulk packaging.
Shipping cases prepared for multiple tube packages. Protective containers for distribution. Multiple white gel tube packages loaded systematically. Counted quantities in shipping case.
Shipping case filled with white gel tube packages. Organized arrangement maximizing protection.
Tape seals case securely. White gel tube packages protected for shipping.
Case labels enable distribution tracking. External marking identifies white gel contents.
Labeled cases containing white gel tubes advancing. Final quality verification approaching. Random audits verify case packing quality. White gel tube packages inspected inside cases.
Quality approved cases ready for palletizing. White gel tube inventory staged for bulk packaging.
Wooden pallets prepared as foundation. Base for bulk packaging white gel cases.
First case layer establishes stable foundation. White gel tube cases arranged systematically.
Robotic precision stacks white gel cases. Automated pattern ensuring load stability.
Layer by layer building creates stable pallet. White gel cases stacked to optimal shipping height. Interlocking pattern creates structural stability. Engineering optimizes white gel case load.
Completed pallet reaches optimal shipping height. White gel tube cases perfectly stacked. Automated wrapper prepares to secure pallet. White gel case load ready for protection.
Stretch film anchors to pallet base. Foundation for complete white gel load protection.
Spiral wrapping unifies white gel cases into single unit. Multiple film passes ensure security. Extra top wrapping prevents upper case shifting. White gel pallet completely protected. Fully wrapped pallet protects white gel inventory. Transparent film securing entire load. Pallet labels enable inventory tracking. White gel load completely identified for logistics. Completed pallet ready for warehouse storage. White gel tubes bulk packaged for distribution.
Forks positioned safely under pallet. Proper technique protecting white gel load.
Smooth hydraulic lift raises white gel pallet. Professional handling prevents damage.
Internal logistics connecting production to storage. White gel pallet journey to warehouse.
Climate-controlled warehouse protects white gel quality. Professional storage facility.
Continuous monitoring maintains optimal storage conditions. White gel quality protected by climate control.
Digital systems track every white gel pallet. Real-time inventory management.
System directs white gel pallet to optimal location. Organized warehouse navigation.
Strategic placement considers rotation and access. White gel pallet stored systematically. Secure placement on structural beams. White gel pallet safely stored.
White gel tubes protected in climate storage. Inventory safely secured until distribution. Barcode scanning creates digital inventory record. White gel pallet tracked in system.
Inventory data guides distribution planning. White gel stock levels monitored digitally. Organized inventory represents production achievement. Multiple white gel pallets systematically stored. First in, first out ensures product freshness. White gel inventory rotated systematically. Temperature sensors maintain optimal conditions. White gel quality protected continuously.
Environmental logs document storage conditions. White gel quality compliance recorded.
Humidity control protects packaging integrity. White gel tubes preserved in optimal conditions. Pest control maintains sanitary warehouse. White gel inventory protected from contamination.
Security cameras monitor white gel inventory continuously. Electronic protection preventing loss.
Access control restricts warehouse entry. White gel inventory secured against unauthorized access.
Warehouse protection operates continuously. White gel quality maintained day and night. Order fulfillment begins from organized inventory. White gel pallets selected for distribution.
Order documents guide white gel pallet selection. Specific inventory retrieved for customers.
White gel pallet moves from storage to shipping. Distribution journey beginning. Loading dock organizes white gel shipments. Orders staged systematically for trucks.
Shipping documents accompany white gel pallets. Information enabling distribution logistics.
Final inspection before white gel shipment. Quality verified before leaving facility. Refrigerated transport maintains white gel quality. Cold chain continuing to customers.
White gel pallet loaded carefully into refrigerated truck. Quality maintained during loading.
Multiple white gel pallets secured in refrigerated transport. Climate control active for distribution. Warehouse operations complete production to distribution cycle. White gel inventory protected and distributed.
All warehouse systems protecting white gel quality. Complete monitoring ensuring product integrity.
Complete traceability from animal bones to finished white gel tubes. Quality documented throughout journey.
From animal bones to pure white toothpaste gel. Complete transformation creating dental care product. Journey complete from bone processing facility to finished white gel toothpaste. Pure white gel in consumer-ready tube.